Always refer to the installation manual for full details. If in doubt, please contact Fastwarm technical support. Make sure the subfloor is clear from dust and debris. Prime the subfloor using a roller. Allow to dry for around 1 to 2 hours. Fastwarm tile backer boards can be trimmed to size if required. Lay a full bed of ultra-tile adhesive using a square notched trowel. Lay the tile backer boards onto the adhesive in a brick bond fashion. Clean the fixed insulation boards from dust and debris. Use a roller to prime the boards and allow to dry for around 1 to 2 hours. Install the Fastwarm Underfloor Heating sticky mat as required. Ensure the mat is tested before, during, and after the installation. Never lay the mats under any fitted or permanent cabinets. Never overlap the mats or cables. Keep the wires a minimum of 50 mm apart. Remove a suitable amount of insulation to install the cold tail lead and conduit for the floor sensor. Further excavation of the floor may be required to ensure the cold tail lead and conduit are not sitting proud of the heating element. The sensor probe should be positioned at least 300 mm from the wall and should sit between any 2 loops of cable. Make sure the power cable at the start of the mat is no greater than 2 meters from the thermostat. When wiring the thermostat, please ensure the supplied user manual is followed correctly. This process must be carried out by a competent person. Contact Fastwarm technical support for assistance. Optional use of ultra-leveling compound is recommended if build-up allows. Use a smooth-edged steel trowel to create a level finish. Remove any air bubbles using a spiked roller. The leveling compound manufacturer's guidelines must be followed for mix ratios and drying times. Allow a minimum of 24 hours before priming or laying a floor covering. For clarification on drying times, follow manufacturer's guidelines. Using a roller, prime the leveling compound and allow 1 to 2 hours to dry. Install your tiles. Fastwarm electric sticky mats are a quick and easy way to add underfloor heating to your home. Get in touch today to find out more.